What's up guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. So today we will be talking about GoPro mounts. I decided to make this video to share with you where I do mount my GoPro when I'm recording. If you're planning on recording some videos on your motorcycle, this video might be useful for you. You can get my tips and do your recording, your videos. So let's go ahead. So starting here in the front, I use the GoPro in two places. Here in the side I use a suction cup from GoPro, and here I can record the front wheel quite well. As you can see, the case here, it's mounted as well as the suction cup, so it's really nice. Just a quick note, don't buy any cheap suction cup on Amazon or eBay, because I've tried one, a cheap one, and they are not good. This one from GoPro, it's the way to go. That's my advice. It's a bit more expensive, but this one, believe me, it's worth the money. So here in the top I've got this mount here. I found this mount here for my Aprilia. At first I didn't know if this was going to be okay on the motorcycle, but I found this mount on eBay quite cheap, and it works quite well. I can show you right here. It's made of aluminium and it's perfect. It looks like it was made for this bike in particular, but it wasn't. So if you want the link for this mount, just let me know in the comments below and I will let you know. Then you just grab the GoPro mount and you can film your dash as well as the front of the bike. Really nice. You can have really good shots from. So here in the back of the bike I use the GoPro in two places. This one here, really nice. You can record your friends as well as the back of the bike. Nice view. And here in the side I just found this bicycle handlebar mount, really useful for this bike. In my Aprilia RSV4, this mount goes straight in the footrests, so it's a really snug place, and in here you can have really nice shots from your exhaust as well as from the rear. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If you were looking for some GoPro mounting tips, this was the video for you, I hope. And well, stay tuned for another videos. Hope you subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and take care, ride safe. Thank you so much.